Factors to be considered while choosing kitchen countertops. Dear friends, there are many factors which have to be taken in consideration while selecting a kitchen countertop for your home. Some of the major points which need to be kept in mind are discussed in this video. 1. The kitchen style and arrangement. The overall interior design of your kitchen and the layout and arrangement of the kitchen, which may L-shaped, U-shaped, G-shaped or any other, must be considered. Kitchen countertops should be modern and such that they fit owner's lifestyle and culture as well as enhance the look of kitchen. 2. Usage intensity. If you love cooking and food preparation, then it is advisable to choose countertop material which does not scratch and stain easily, such as granite, stainless steel, quartz surfacing, glass and laminate kitchen countertop. If there is less food preparation and more use of electronic gadgets involved, such as microwave, electric cooker, etc., then you may select softer materials such as marble, wood kitchen countertops, etc. 3. Number of users. During house parties and gatherings, people accumulate in the kitchen. Hence you need tough and durable countertops like stainless steel, concrete, tile and laminate. Granite countertop is always a good option. If you have kids at home, consider kid-friendly countertops such as solid surface, stainless steel, resin and quartz, and not with sharp edges. 4. Care and maintenance. Choose countertop with solid surfaces, like glass, porcelain, stainless steel, quartz, resin and laminate, which needs less care and maintenance. Where moderate care is anticipated, you can select the tile, concrete, butcher block, reclaimed wood, etc. Granite and marble kitchen top need daily cleaning, regular polishing, but if they are porous, it will stain and allow bacteria to grow. Life and cost of a kitchen countertop. The cost of countertop is directly related to its life. Cost is very high for countertops providing longer life. The cost depends on the material durability and the cost of the raw materials. Hence the cost of kitchen countertop increases with the rise in quality of raw material. However, note that sometimes costly materials are not durable and user-friendly. Kitchen countertops made from artificial material has low cost and gives an elegant look but require frequent maintenance. Granite, marble, and quartz are slightly high in cost, but till date, they are the ultimate choice of the homeowners. Stainless steel is high in cost, but it is easy to clean, durable and most hygienic countertop as it has the ability to inhibit bacterial buildup. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.